Welcome to Study Loop.
Hey everybody. So for this one, we need to find if the original mass of M, what would be the mass of the new part? So we have the K of the solid equals the K of the hollow. Okay. And that looks terrible writing. I apologize. K. There we go. We're just going to accept it. So the kinetic energy. So on this side, we have 1/2 times the inertia of the solid. We'll just put S, okay, for solid, and we have the frequency. Not frequency. We have the velocity, rotational velocity, and we have 1/2 over here. I of the hollow, inertia of the hollow. Again, okay, and this is going to equal the solid equals the hollow. Okay. Great. Now what we can do is plug in with the I equal, the inertia is equal, we got capital M of the solid, M of the solid equals R squared, because what happens is these kind of can't, oops, this cancels out, okay? And on this side, it is 2/3 for the hollow, M hollow R squared. This cancels out. Okay, so we have the 2's cancel out. And what we have is M hollow equals 3/5 of the solid. Okay, thank you guys.